What up, beautiful people? Today we are at Bloemfontein. We're heading to a school called primary school. We're gonna meet Professor Jean Greyling and do some computer coding. Woo! Coming up. Oh, you gotta sanitize to his hand. Now the first activity that we're doing is giving commands represented by these diagrams to a person. The commands tell the person where to stand next to a chair and where to put the shoe.
You did this action on so we are done.
Yay, high five! Woo! Now for the next round, the teachers must make a series of commands in a sequence using the same papers, but there is a rule. It's either the person moves relative to the chair or it's either the shoe moves. Let's see how to make this one. Woo! Haha, now Professor is the robot and the lady is the programmer.
What the was my head's too round.
See, the point of all this, in fact, the meaning of coding Unplugged is that computer programming can be done anytime, anywhere. It has been part of our daily lives. Did you know that Scotch, the game we used to play, is an example of programming? Yes, the numbers on the blocks tells the child where to step. See? Even a cooking recipe is a set of instructions that tells the chef what to cook and how to cook it. Programming is all around us. Big tech companies are struggling to find people with computer programming skills. We need to make our kids aware of this, said Prof. For exercise number 2, the teachers have to move object A and B. The two objects must switch places, and for that to happen, the teachers have to write down the commands that control the robotic arm to move the objects. Let's see how to make this one.
And then you go up, and then you go to the right, down, you grab grab, and then you go up, and then you go left, and then come back to speed.
Now Prof is the robotic arm, and the teachers are the programmers.
Now if I place them,
But the first thing I want to show you is just for fun, for the kids that can't read yet. So you'll see on these little cards, there's little QR codes. And then on your first screen, at the bottom it says scan codes. Now let's hope it works. If I scan code,
at least 8 million tons of plastic into the oceans each year. Do not use plastic shopping bags. Americans throw away 35 billion plastic water bottles every year.
so now I want you to all come to the mat like grade 3. We have a penguin that's thirsty. The penguin is thirsty. The penguin is pointing that way. You've got move forward, turn left, turn right. Commands on your table. I want you to look at this and go and pack out the commands on your black cloth with those boats commands I gave you to get the penguin to the water bottle.
Woo! The hand sanitizer is a penguin and a water bottle is the food. Teachers have to pack out the commands using the small cards so that the penguin can avoid the wall and get to the bottle.
Turn right.
Got it, immediately. Move backwards, turn left. So picked up that and just put it there. And your boat moves. I'm just guessing again.
Tanks is a mobile game designed to introduce basic computer No man, I did a video about this game, so you better watch that. The link is in the video description below, so if you need it, they're watching the video now. In this scenario, the current was to move on to start, move backwards, from left, and move forward twice.
Present to you. How do I get there?
Slide.
Turn right and move backwards. No shift to the left, that doesn't work. Okay. Have you got it?
Forward. You turn right and you block it. And then you move forward.
Net tot hier. Ons moet tot hier mos loop.
You are in the reverse again. So you go one, you must take to this side. Aha, we got it. Yes.
Go higher. Stand up, you lazy.
Waar sy nou onder die sy?
Ek was lei.
Okay.
The repeat won't work here. Don't use repeats only from level 11. Don't get out to use it.
Anyway.
And five.
Repeat times 3 what's on top of the repeat. So you can imagine the code coming from this side. There is a start, repeat, and then you turn on the color. There will be stuff after the group that's been done on. So just keep on walking until you hit the wall. While my mouth is clear, it's normal English.
I hope it's right that you're taking a photo.
Times 5.
10. Times 5.
What will happen if we say times 6? Is it gonna jump over the star?
Why are you doing repeat? I want a while.
Because this works.
Hey, Professor, who in your wildest dreams would think you must have a while?
So before you take a photo, can you see the logic?
No, that's it.
Yes.
So while there's nothing in my way, while my
Yeah,
path
the
is
path
clear,
is
keep on